Today, I helped a friend turn his vision into a realistic plan. And here's what he said after I sent him notes after our call. This is amazing. I can't believe you nailed down the vision and threw it on paper so quickly. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Here's the thing. That brought me so much joy. It brought me joy helping him. And I know that this is going to help him go out and crush it in what he wants to do. So I just wanted to share with you to lean into your natural abilities. It's easy for me, my natural ability being able to take someone's vision, to listen to them talk about what they want and the goals that they have, and then put that into an executable plan. So don't be afraid to reach out to people like myself to talk it through and put it on paper and then actually take action on it. It's a fantastic feeling. And then on the other side of it, for those of you with this natural ability like me, don't be afraid to lean into it. Don't be afraid to help as many people as you can and make that your business. It's a fantastic feeling, and it's a fantastic way to make money and make an impact on the world. I hope you're having a great day. I'm always wishing you success. Bye-bye.